Hey guys, today I'm back with these Fab-BOO-Lous Nails for you. And I like these because they're cute and Halloween, but they're also very cutesy. So, if you know I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all except my middle finger with one coat of top 1% from Fun Lacquer. And then I applied a liquid latex while that was drying. Now with that same purple polish, I applied one coat to a makeup sponge so that the sponge absorbed the polish and left the glitter behind. And then I just dabbed that on my nail for full opacity. And I did another coat just to make sure it was all good. And I left my index and pinky fingers just like this with just the plain glitter. But for my ring finger, I went in with my Mo London Halloween 03 plate and a black stamping polish, and I just stamped these ghosts. And I thought that we could have sparkly purple ghosts, because why not? I just stamped that straight on my ring finger. And because I'd left that liquid latex on, I just peeled it off. I shouldn't really leave it for too long, but as I've used this polish before, it's stained the hell out of my nails. After that, I just went in with some acetone and a brush. And then I applied one coat of one coat black from Holo Taco on my middle finger. And then with that same stamping plate as before and a white stamping polish, I'm stamping this little cute ghost that says Fab-BOO-Lous. And I stamped that straight on my ring finger. And then I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And as I said before, I left the index and pinky fingers with just that gorgeous purple glitter. And there you go, these Fab-BOO-Lous nails. I've said before that these are super cute and they're perfect for that glitzy / they're not too scary. So if you like Halloween but you don't like horror, then these are for you. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.